want to show some of the younger guys that don't know the difference between a burnt contactor and one that is not burnt. Burnt and pitted. So if you pull this cover off, you see the top of those contacts right up in there. They're all burnt, pitted. You see all the blackness around them. That's what we call a burnt and pitted contactor. So that happens from it turning on and off over and over and over. The contacts touching, and each time they touch, it's sparking and making an electrical contact, arcing. That's where you get all your wear from. Over to this one. This one's fine. Perfect. Oh, there you go.